What is your name, your role, your PSLE score, and which year?
Hi, I'm Jia Singh. I'm the managing director and developer of 10 Year Series. I got 257 in 2010.
So we asked you to bring something from home. What did you bring?
I brought this graphic calculator. So that is from when I was in J2.
And why didn't you sell it?
I thought I would use it in uni.
Okay, the next question would be, have you ever gone for tuition?
Yes.
Was it a one-to-one tuition or with a tuition center?
Only a group tuition.
And what was your experience like?
At that point in time, I was J2, so I did it for GP because I had quite a lot of difficulties getting the whole scope of the syllabus because it was so open-ended. Then I have time to look up all the world affairs. So I went for tuition, but because everything was very late at night, so like 7 to 9, so it was actually quite a tiring experience, even though the notes were very helpful.
And is there a reason why you didn't go for one-to-one tuition?
I think, like I mentioned earlier, I was very busy, so I just had no time to vet through people. Yeah.
Okay, so as the MD and the lead developer, what is one function you see the biggest potential and its business use case?
Okay, so it definitely has to be the integration of the Ask Homework question with our tutors feature because right after J2, I wanted to be a tutor, but at that point in time, it was very difficult for me. I didn't get any callbacks. And I do feel that, when I think back to my own experience, it's because like people just do not want to spend time working with an unproven tutor. So what I feel is that having an Ask Homework question function, it is very intuitive for a student to tell whether they can understand what the tutor is explaining to them just from that snapshot of the question that they got. So when someone helps you in a time of need, it builds a very personal relationship. That person has helped you when you needed it the most and in the way that you needed. So I feel this will really change the way that people engage tutors in the future.
Okay, so one last question for us. Boss, looking at the time, can we go home now?
Okay, sure.
Yay!